Imagine you are standing in a local battery shop in Saddar or Hall Road. On one side, there is a massive, heavy lead-acid tubular battery, and on the other, a sleek, lightweight lithium-ion box. One has been the king of Pakistani homes for decades, but the other is a challenger, claiming to change everything. This isn't just a choice between two products. It is a battle of chemistry that determines how your home survives the next power outage. Most people focus on the price tag, but as a student of science, you have to look deeper into the molecules. Ab yahan ek dilchasp baat hai. A tubular battery is like a giant, slow-moving marathon runner. It relies on lead plates submerged in sulfuric acid. It's reliable and cheap, but it has a secret weakness called the depth of discharge. If you drain a tubular battery more than 50%, you are essentially killing it. It's like a stomach that starts hurting if you eat until you are full. Why would you buy a 100 amp-hour battery if you can only safely use 50? This is where the frustration of every WAPDA consumer begins. Enter the lithium challenger. While your old battery uses heavy lead, this one uses the lightest metal in the universe. Lithium-ion batteries are like sprinters with a photographic memory. They allow you to use 90% of their energy without flinching. Ye bijli ki nayi nasal hai. While your tubular battery takes 10 hours to charge, lithium can be ready in just 2. But wait, why does the air smell like acid near your old setup? That's the liquid electrolyte gassing during charging, a process called electrolysis that you've likely studied in your chemistry lab. Lithium stays sealed, silent, and cool. But here's the catch that keeps Pakistani students debating. A tubular battery might cost you 50,000 rupees today, while lithium costs 3 times as much. Is it worth it? If a tubular battery lasts 2 years, but lithium lasts 10, who really wins the financial war? Think of it as an investment in efficiency. Lithium offers higher energy density, meaning more power in a smaller space. For a small apartment in Karachi or a solar farm in Punjab, space is money. Understanding this choice isn't just for your FSC paper on electrochemistry. It is about the future of our national grid. The era of heavy lead is fading. The age of light metal is here. Ready to master the transition? Hit subscribe to join Pakistan's solar revolution, and click the next video to keep your knowledge flowing. The future is light metal. Don't get left behind.